Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can personalize emails in Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp has some kind of automatizations that can be making personalized emails for people. For example, when someone's birthday has come, you're not going to send a bulk email to everyone saying happy birthday, but you are going to send to a specific person happy birthday. So how can we do that? Go create and click automation. Click on create automation, and here you will name it, for example, automation test, and let's go and choose a starting point. Now, what is our starting point? Let's say, for example, there is a birthday or sent an email. So contacts when enter the map when sent a book email. I'm not going to do that. I'm going with the birthday. So here, choose a date. I'm going to say, for example, 10 days before their birthday, I would like them to have, for example, a coupon code. So let's go ahead and give them a coupon code. So here, I'm going to send an email. Of course, there's a lot of things that you can do, but in our case, we are going to talk about email. And from here, you can make a design and you can make it as customized and personalized as possible. So select a template, design it, and make it look, for example, as a birthday wish and coupon a product that has discount or stuff like that. So people might actually have intention on buying from your review, or basically, in case you were doing affiliate, they might buy from the person and you get a payment. So yeah, there is several ways to do so. Once this is done and you have everything correctly done, you simply have to click here. Of course, I have the free trial account, or the free account, not the free trial. In case you have the free trial or basically the premium plan, you will be able to continue and launch this automation that we just created. So it's very simple, guys. It's very easy and quick. I hope you like this video. And if you do have any more questions about making personalized stuff, make sure to mention them in the comment section. We'll try my best to cover everything that you want in the comments. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next video.